Yo, what's the deal? What's the deal? We out here, you feel me? Welcome back to the channel, Rich Talk for Days. It's your boy Ryan, back at it with another video, you feel me? Make sure y'all like this video, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, make sure y'all leave a comment. Let me know how you feel, let me know what you think, you know what I'm saying? So in this video, I will be showing y'all how to do some heat pressing. I'll be doing a demonstration, I'll be giving y'all some tips, some tricks, some pointers that y'all can use, especially if you're new to this whole heat pressing thing, because heat pressing might seem simple, like you're just pressing and just, but when it comes to the whole alignment, and where to put the design or the transfer at, that part right there could get a little complicated, so a lot of people have problems on how to measure and where to place it at. So I'll be sharing my experience and sharing my mistakes and the lessons that I learned along the way, so y'all won't make the same mistakes, because it's not cool to make mistakes like that. But you live and you learn, you feel me? So let's get to it. You dig? Yo, so we back in, right? So I'm about to show y'all the process of the heat press. I'm about to grab a regular black Gildan t-shirt right here. So one thing that we do when we start off, first we like to warm in the platen. So we're going to press it, give that about 5 seconds. Alright. And once you have your heat press warming up, the temperature that I set it on for 100% cotton is about 355 to 370. That's the temperature I set it on for 15 seconds. So when we first lay the shirt down, we're going to have the collar part hanging off a little bit, okay? And when you look at the t-shirt, it always has a crease in the middle, so you kind of go off of that, or where the t-shirt is placed at. You want it to be straight and you want it to be, centered. So what I do first is place the shirt down, and I'll grab a Teflon sheet. Teflon sheet, I grab one of these, place these over the shirt, and just give it a quick preheat for about 5 seconds. Real quick, just so it can get the moisture out the shirt, so you have a better press when you're pressing the design. All right, so that's the first part of the process. So after you complete the process of the whole preheating and getting the moisture out the shirt, what I recommend you do is check your pressure on your heat press. You know what I'm saying? Different heat presses have different pressure settings. So you just gotta get comfortable and know your heat press. You gotta use it, get adjusted to it, know which one is the best setting for shirts, for hoodies, for hats, whatever it is. So we have a design right here. Alright. We're going to place this design on the shirt. So one thing I want to go over though is the whole alignment, because when you placing the design, the things that I messed up on from when I did center, chest presses on the side press, sometimes I'll mess around and place it all the way over here underneath the armpit, or sometimes it just won't be straight. So what you want to do is, what I learned along the way is your hands. If you don't have a ruler, if you don't have a T ruler, use your hand. Alright, so what we're going to do is place our hand underneath the collar of the shirt. Okay, so we got our 4 fingers. We could use the 4 fingers, or you could use 3 fingers. I usually do 4 fingers. So usually I'll place a design underneath, right there. Okay, and then if you're new, I wouldn't suggest you really eyeball it. I suggest you get a ruler, because you only can start eyeballing it once you kind of done a lot of t-shirts, so you know the placement. But if you're new and you're starting out, I suggest you get a ruler. Where's my ruler at? Get you a ruler, okay? So you get that straight alignment right across, on the sides, measure it out. Okay? So once you get that now, that's where you'll heat press that at. So if you want to heat press now, you can use a Teflon sheet, or you don't have to, but me, I personally like to use one, just because I'll place that down. And now we're at temperature 360 for 15 seconds. Hold on, I gotta put my pressure down, so put my pressure up. Alright, so that's the pressure we're at, that much. 10, 9. So now we're about to make this go off. Lift that up. Take the Teflon sheet off. And with the HTV, you can peel it right off when it's hot. You don't have to wait till it cool down. You can peel it off right when it's hot. Alright. That's on there like that. And see, sometimes I just like to just look at it and make sure that it's in the shirt. You know what I'm saying? That it's really in it. It's not just on it, it's in it. You feel me? And just like that. But then what I like to do is do a little extra press for just 5 seconds. Just for security. Just make sure it's in there. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to do another press. We're going to turn down the pressure a little bit. And do another press for 5 seconds. Alright. Take that off. We're going to lift the shirt up now. You got that, okay? So, keep pressing. Like I said, it's a simple thing, but you just want to make sure that you work on your alignment, you know. Like I said, let me show you another pointer real quick. That you could also, when you're trying to do a side piece, you want to go off of the top of the collar where it makes the U. You want to go down. So that means the design will be right here, and then you can still use a 4-finger measurement. Okay, so let's say it's right here. So then you just come down. So the design will be right here. So you could locate, you could press the design in this area right here. Okay. So you will go straight down from the top, come down. If you're still going to use the 4 fingers, just to see if we can get a measurement at, come across, and it will meet up right here. So you place your design in that area right here. All right, that's just another little tip, another pointer that you can use. You feel me? So that's the heat pressing process right there. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all learned something. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all leave a comment. Let me know how you feel. Let me know what you think. You know what I'm saying? Once again, y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay focused. We out here with it. You feel me?